The basis that we have seen to accommodate solar radiation into a small region using parabolic tuff and parabolic dish is extended to large extent when it is planned to collect large area of sun radiation covering large surface of ground. These power plants are considered as concentrated solar power plants or CSP. It may be noted that focus of parabola for parabolic tuff generates a focal point of locus to form a straight line. Depending upon curvature of parabola, focal point may be away from vertex or may be close to vertex of parabola. Similarly, if we want focal line to be nearer to vertex line, then coefficient of square term of expression of parabola must be chosen smaller and vice versa. This closer focal line is found to be used in some plants where pipe carrying working fluid passes through such a focal lines. If focal length is larger than point of concentration is on top of tower and parabolic surface needs to converge the incoming light into a narrow beam. The first figure on slide shows low value of focal length when such a plenty of tufts are placed on ground to receive sunlight. Naturally, these tufts have to track sun from east to west. If we see such a plant having large number of parabolic tufts, then all of them must be simultaneously changing their position as sun moves from east to west. It is illustrative and useful to compare curvature of parabolic surfaces in two figures. The figure on left has more curvature in the sense that it is close to circle, but figure on the right side has minute curvature to their parabolic tufts. The focus of first figure on left is of the order of 1 to 2 feet, but focus of tuft on right side has a focal length quite large, that is of the order of 8 to 10 meters. The tufts with large focal length look like a plane surface, but in fact these surfaces have curvature and they converges the radiation at comparatively large distances. The scale at which such a power plants are built are of the order of 2 to 5 megawatts. One of the example power plant that covers 18,000 square meters of sunlight radiation is capable of producing 1.4 megawatts of power and occupies land of 4.4 acres. These figures are of very early concentrated power plants as early as 2009. If we calculate energy efficiency of this configuration, then it is very low, but recently constructed power plants of this type are more efficient. When solar radiation is accumulated to converge into very small region of space, it is necessary to have absorption arrangement to transfer as much of energy from radiation into a working fluid. The region of space where radiation is concentrated has a pipes with best absorption surface with small reflection. These surfaces are specially manufactured with good absorbing materials so that these surfaces do not reflect the radiation. Energy transferred from sunlight into working fluid changes the state of working fluid. For example, if water is working fluid, then it changes to superheated steam. Further, this superheated steam is supplied to steam turbine to convert it into electricity. The important working fluid in case of concentrated solar power plant is molten salt. This medium has additional advantage of storing molten salt for a long period of time. In this way, energy stored in molten salt is used as and when it is required by grid. One more energy efficiency improving feature used in such a reflectors is a Fresnel reflector. Initially, Fresnel lens was produced, but afterwards the same technology is used to improve the reflector efficiency. These Fresnel reflectors concentrate the radiation 30 times the incident light intensity.